Have you ever heard of an island that vanished without a trace? It sounds like something straight out of a mystery novel, but it actually happened in the Gulf of Mexico. The island I'm talking about is Bermeja, and its disappearance remains one of the most perplexing unsolved mysteries. The story begins in the 16th century when explorers first mapped the waters around the Yucatan Peninsula. On their maps, they marked a small island in the Gulf, which they named Bermeja. It wasn't just any island, though. Bermeja became significant because of its location. It was believed to be situated about 100 kilometers off the coast of Mexico. Why was this small island important? The answer lies in something much bigger: oil reserves. In the 20th century, after oil was discovered beneath the Gulf of Mexico, territorial waters became a major topic of international negotiation. The area around Bermeja was valuable because if Bermeja existed, Mexico's territorial claim would extend into the Gulf, giving them rights to a much larger portion of the seabed. So as you can imagine, Bermeja became a crucial part of this geopolitical puzzle. But here's the strange part. By the late 20th century, no one could find it. Despite repeated attempts by Mexican and American researchers, Bermeja was nowhere to be found. Modern maps, satellite images, and surveys of the Gulf couldn't locate the island. It was as if it had never existed. Some say it was a cartographic error. Maybe the island was misreported or its location confused with another landmass. But that theory doesn't explain why it appeared on maps for hundreds of years. It's almost as if Bermeja was there, then someone or something decided it shouldn't be. One popular theory suggests that Bermeja might have sunk into the sea. The Gulf of Mexico is seismically active, and large chunks of land can disappear beneath the waves due to underwater earthquakes or other geological events. But no evidence of this sinking has ever been found. If Bermeja sank, there should have been remnants or signs of an underwater structure. Another theory suggests Bermeja was deliberately erased. Given its strategic location, some believe the island was removed from maps to alter territorial boundaries. Perhaps powerful interests wanted to shrink Mexico's claim to the Gulf for oil drilling rights. While speculative, it raises questions. Then there's the possibility that Bermeja was never real at all. Maybe it was just a mirage in early maps mistaken for land. But that doesn't explain the consistent mentions of it in historical records. Explorers from different eras seem to agree on its existence. The mystery of Bermeja's disappearance leaves us with more questions than answers. Did it sink into the ocean? Was it erased for political reasons? Or was it never real to begin with? All we can do now is keep searching. Maybe one day someone will find it again. Or maybe the phantom island of Bermeja will remain just that, a ghost of the Gulf, lost to time.